Okay, so I have this Minecraft game, and this is a village house I'm stealing from a villager, and I'm gonna, right now it's nighttime, so I'm gonna sleep, and then I'm gonna wake up, think. This will only take a second to sleep, so. Okay, now it's daytime, and I'm gonna go outside. I built a few weird things. Might be cool to you, but I think it's weird. And then I'm gonna, all this wood might seem weird to you, but it's like a trail because I saw the villagers' houses are like on water, so that's kind of weird also. So I decided to make a little trail so the villagers can go over to land. Now if you see that wood over there, that wood cove thing, and that snowman, to make the snowman, all you do is just 3 blocks of snow, and then 2 blocks of snow, and then pumpkin on top. See? Yeah. And this, all that snow, like the snow is kind of melting. It doesn't really melt, so it just ends up as snow. Snow and sand and grass is kind of weird. Not grass, but snow and sand, because some sand and snow over there. Okay, so I made this little festival thingy, cake, and this sign says food, $1. So I'm gonna go in here, and I see some wood tables and this little seat, so you can eat. Well, if there's a villager, hi villager, he's meeting my place to eat. $1 villager. All we sell is cakes. It's kind of weird. I'm working on all the cakes. And so next we're going to go in this little thing right here. It's filled with snow and sand. It says meet Frosty. It is free, and you walk up. It's just to walk up these stairs and you go in. I know it's like a little cove. It's not really a house, but I kept this guy in there. I would leave him alone and not build all this, but I did because I didn't want him to escape, because I wanted the kids who come here, the villagers, to be happy when they go in here. But villagers or any of that can't even climb up ladders, not even the snowman stuff. So I'm going to show you around my little festival here. This says a kiddie boat ride, ages 2 and up, $1 with an adult. So which means you push this into the water and you take a little boat ride in there. And it's not that big, but I'm going to show you the other boat ride. This is a boat ride for $1, ages 8 and up. See, 8-year-olds go in here, and they borrow the boats from over here, the kiddies, which means kid. So over here is a little mini train set thing. It says train ride for $1 again, and it is ages 2 and up. Let's go on this train. Just bumped into all those trains. Now I'm going to bump into them again. Gosh. Yeah. So now I'm going to, now you need these redstone torches to make this thing go. And so, yeah. And, oh my gosh, look at all these eggs. Ooh, just got those eggs. 11 eggs, it says. Right here, see that thing? What's there, it says 11 eggs. And now I'm going to show you, oh wait, these are snowballs. Oh my gosh, I thought they were eggs. Okay, so now I'm going to show you around all those, if you see all those lily pads kind of like forming a trail, it says it is a trail, because you could get lily pads. And right here it says a lily pad adventure. It is free, finally, for those people who want to go on there, and Frosty feels free. For ages 8 and up, just walk on lily pads. That. And if you see all this ice and that snowman that looks like a king, I actually meant that snowman to be king of all that ice. See, let's go on this ice. And here's that snowman guy. I wanted to make a tall snowman, but I found out that a little snowman just appeared right there. And they can't get off because none of these snowmen can just do nothing. All they do is walk around. I wish you could jump real high and stuff. So let's get back on these lily pads. Stretches all the way over. If you see that sugar cane, it's called sugar cane. That green stuff over there that looks like little lines. So now we're going to be going here. Go. Okay, so let's see what I missed. I think I reviewed everything. The big boat ride, the mini boat ride. Oh, and I also, we're going to be going into a gigantic castle that I made, and I put lots of detail into it. It took me like 2 days to make. 2 school days. See that big castle over there? We're going to go there, but I know fast way to get over there. Woo! Run in air. Here it is. Those windows. That's the back of it. So, the diamonds. I made a diamond. I made a diamond roof. So, it's flat, of course. So, we're gonna. I know to open the doors, but for some reason, these doors won't let me open. And here's a carpet. And this is where the king sits, right in this little chair. See, behind the chair, I put lots of windows and some cobblestone. And then we're sitting here, watch everything, like a boring king. And then I put some torches there, down here. I needed a lot of torches for this. See all those torches everywhere. Everywhere you look, there's torches. Now, this is a music box over here. Just turn the volume down because I don't like the normal music. Just don't like it. And then I like the music in the music box, but I still need to turn it up because it's over in a second. Okay, so I'm going to show you where to get this music. My favorite song is Chirp. I like dance to it all the time. Shake my booty in my mom's face. Okay, and this is a bedroom for all the royal people. Like a lot of pictures and torches and everything down the roof, like I told you. And I put like 1,000 beds. And then here we go again. Put that outside. Yeah, I use glass for windows for some reason. I don't know why, because actually there's like this other kind of thing that you use. I can't remember the name right now. Let's just get out of this castle and I'm going to show you around the village houses now. So, oh, and there's a witching well. I found a witching well once. I'm not sure if this is the correct witching well. I'm not going to go all the way in there. And I found like a secret hideout thing in the witching well. See, this witching well's kind of tall. I can get out there. Yeah, it's kind of weird. So I'm going to go fly over back to the village house and show you inside each of them. There's not a lot. They're like crappy. See all those guys? Those village houses. Excuse me. Lording is. Okay, so. Okay, I'm just gonna show one village house. Sorry if I said more than one. You already seen that village house over there with all that diamond stuff. So I'm just gonna show this one. See? Oh wait, this is one I just showed you last time. Oh, okay. So this is a picture. If you didn't see this last time, got mixed up with the houses. Okay, so one house, and then I guess the video's gonna be over. Okay, so here we are. It's not really a house, just tables and everything. It's a little craft table.